9:33. First two candles were neutral. Just got a green entry candle. Tons of negative delta coming in on the NQ. After seeing this negative delta, I'm not really trying to take this entry candle break. Had a pretty healthy retracement overnight, kind of in the middle of some key levels here on the 15-minute chart. Coming up to VWAP on the ES. Pushed the button. Order did not appear for about 10 seconds. Breaking below the 20 SMA, breaking below whole number, breaking below center of the opening range. Hopped out. Didn't want to deal with the retracement. It worked out fine there. Would have got my 10 points. Getting the bounce down off VWAP on the ES. Very indecisive 15-minute candle. Wicks on both sides. Tiny little body. Definitely sums up the first 15 minutes of price action. Alright, green entry candle, green background, break above 09. Just a break above 09, there was 10 points. Should have taken that one, should have held on to this trade. Trying to push above VWAP on the ES. No real major delta push in any direction on the NQ so far this morning. Catching some nice moves on the ADX version of the trend and reversal indicator here. 30 seconds of news. 3 seconds. Here we go. Saw a bunch of delta coming in. Popped up above the 20. Got into a long for 10 points. Had a green ADX candle. I really like this ADX candle for catching early reversals. Green entry candle, green background, break above 29.50, could be headed up to VWAP there. We're coming up to yesterday's close on the ES. There's the break of the 15-minute candle, break of these recent highs. Went up and tested VWAP, getting the rejection right off of VWAP, 43 down to 26. Getting a hold up at yesterday's close and overnight open on the ES. So far today, took that losing trade that could have easily been a winner if I held on to it for another minute. Saw another good trade that I did not take and patiently waited till after the news for another setup. Got one more trade, so positive for the day. $200, 50% profitable. While I'm thinking about it, here's a bonus clip of yesterday's trading that I did not post because it was so short. Finally took some trades, just got in on this. Had a reversal signal here that did not trigger, had another one. Red candle, bunch of delta coming in. Had to hop in on that one. After the 10 o'clock news, plenty of room down to the 20, we just hit the 20. Pretty big delta on this 5-minute candle. Came back up to the 20 SMA. Just got a 10-point bounce down. Up 387. Took 3 trades. It's after 10:30 now. Gonna call it a day. $400 for sitting around for an hour, being patient. Not too bad. And back to today. We had some decent delta on the NQ 5-minute candle on the previous candle here. It was enough to get us to push up above VWAP. Popped up almost 30 points from the close of this big delta candle. I'm still rocking the solar wind indicator from NINZA, the Intraday VWAP Pro, these innovative ordering buttons I use every day, the daily volume profile and the volume profile composite, and the free bar status indicator they have that allows me to make these giant timers at the tops of my charts. And their quick drawing tool so I can easily draw lines on the chart. Those are the main ones I'm using in my day-to-day trading. And then the cosmic indicator that I'm only using for support and resistance levels. Lots of delta coming through. Made it right up to yesterday's close in the overnight open and bounced down 10 points. We break above. Got a little bit of room up to yesterday's point of control. See if we get a nice push there. Yeah, just not feeling that trade. It'll probably be fine, but it doesn't give me the in and out in less than 30 seconds vibes, and those are the trades that I'm looking for. Poke and a retrace brings the grand total up to 232. We made it up and got the 10 points. Took 3 minutes to get there. Made it up to yesterday's high on the ES here. Just bounced down off of that level. If I would have had more patience, the 3 trades that I took all went to their 10-point targets. None of them would have had more than a 1-to-1 drawdown. Just some things I'm noting. Always striving for personal improvement. 1031. Just gonna be happy with my 230 bucks. Hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Hitting that like button is always appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.